All right, everybody, we gave you a sneak peek of this bad to the bone custom camo Camaro earlier this week. Now I want to show it to you because it is amazing. We designed this custom camo for this client's Camaro and it looks sick. And then this guy, he's got green lights in his wheels. Come on, guys. How cool is that? So it looks really good, and the cool thing we did with it is we did a matte finish instead of gloss. So it's got a matte laminate, which gives it an even more slick and really cool look. And the camo just looks great all the way around. Lights in the rear wheels too. It is a very cool looking car, especially with this satin wrap on there. Matte finish, looking great. So if you want to do something just ridiculously custom like this, we can certainly take care of you. Our designers can build a custom camo for you. You can use whatever pattern you want and give you a nice looking ride just like this. Have a great weekend, everybody. Give Zilla Wrap a call if we can help you. Thanks.